Welcome to Absal Plus. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR code on any Android without any app. You can download any QR code scanner from Android Play Store to scan QR code, but you don't need that. You can also use online QR code scanners to scan a QR code that is already in your phone as an image or on phone screen. But here is the easiest way to scan a QR code on your Android. Your mobile camera is a QR code scanner. So open your camera app and point it to the QR code. It will scan the QR code and show you details. You just need to make sure that one setting is enabled in camera app. From camera app, press gear icon. Make sure scan QR codes option is turned on. Then your mobile camera is the QR code scanner. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.